Aucto support team here. Let's walk you through how to review and manage appointments in your ARS account. First, log into your ARS account by visiting Aucto.com/ARS. To access your pickup appointments, go to Cell, Pickup Appointments. You can filter by appointment date, buyer name, order number, pickup type, or site. Clicking into the appointment will provide you with appointment details like arrival window, buyer details, and a list of assets that are being picked up. There are 3 types of pickup appointments: self-pickup, third-party logistics, and Aucto delivery. If the pickup type is Aucto delivery or third-party logistics, you'll want to download the attached bill of lading so that you can present it to the driver upon their arrival. Many carriers will turn away a shipment if the bill of lading is not present during the pickup. To obtain the bill of lading, click into the appointment, scroll down to the bill of lading section, and download the document. If there is no document available, please reach out to the Aucto support team to obtain a copy of the bill of lading. If you encounter any issues at all reviewing pickup appointments, please contact the Aucto support team for assistance.